Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're starting with some coffee and some golf. It was my birthday last week and that's how I started my actual birthday, with some coffee and golf. And I'm going to share with you today some lovely birthday mail I got, as well as a special gift from my husband. So this first package was from Beck at Beck Writes. Beck Writes is her Instagram handle as well as her YouTube handle. And Beck sent me this most gorgeous birthday card with a royal typewriter, and of course I have a Royal Lytton typewriter, and beautifully wrapped box with the cockatiel, and it kind of gives the theme away a bit, but she included this lovely envelope of little things with little teal approved stickers with all different variations of cockatiels on them, so really love them, as well as some cockatiel illustrations which she included on her wrapping, as well as another one for me, these stickers from the 16th page and these stickers from Mossery. So I'm looking forward to using those, and I was very excited to open this package. It was so beautifully put together, and I think she was actually very clever, and I think she may have recycled some of this beautiful packaging from Molly over at Molly Creates. And so Beck sent me this lovely box of tea with 48 teas, 6 different varieties, so some to keep and some to share, which is really thoughtful of her. Now this second mail was from my pen pal Viana at my Meraki desk. She's running a tag challenge for the month of May, so if you want to have a look at all the amazing creations, there's a different theme for each day. I strongly suggest you go and have a look at her Instagram. So she did this beautiful collage birthday card for me, and this most amazing box of beautiful goodies, including this lovely butterfly, which I think she's got a tutorial for that as well, and this loaded like it's a paper bag folder, but it's sewn and decorated and wrapped with lace, and has all sorts of pockets, and yeah, you'll see in a minute, but she has done an amazing job with this. And in fact, there are so many goodies in this box that she sent me that even though I have cut this down and sped it up, and I'm still just showing you a little glimpse of everything she sent me, but I'm really looking forward to sitting down and really going through each part with like even slower and with greater care than I did here. You might notice at some point that I change outfits. It's because I took so much time as I was going through this box. I actually had a lunch appointment to go to as well, so I had to go and get changed and go to a party, and then in the evening I came back and I started where I had stopped earlier in the day. So at some point my pink fluffy dressing gown will make an appearance. But she has included so many little beautiful goodies, starting with this lovely paper bag folder with all its hidden spots. So I hope you had a wonderful week last week. Well, it started off raining still, but on Friday it was actually a beautiful day. A bright blue skies, sunny. That was the best gift I could have asked for, the weather. And look at this beautiful little origami bird, so cute. And this drawer, it's like a scented cushion for your drawer, a scented pouch, which Serviana says she got from a local market from her near her, a handmade market. And here is some lovely tea, so I'm looking forward to trying that. And she also made me some earrings. Now, I'm very sad to say, but I'm one of the here comes the pink dressing gown. I'm one of very few people who actually don't have their ears pierced. So I was actually a bit sad when I saw those earrings because they're so lovely. But she did make me that beautiful planner charm with my name on it. And this lip balm was another item she picked up at a handmade market near her as well. And then this beautifully folded little pouch full of tiny little die cuts. So I'm really excited to go through all of those and have a look at each of those. And then there was this bigger package, which I was quite curious about, and it turned out to be a book on cockatiels. So Serviana's quite adept at finding amazing things at her local op shops. I don't know how she does it. She has a real eye for finding the good things. And here's a little decorated matchbox with all kind of crafty embellishments for me to use. And then this last little package has some decorative tapes in it. So this metallic tape with the backing and this planner tape with different icons on it. So many beautiful things, so many lovely handmade things, and I really felt incredibly spoiled. And speaking of spoiled, then my husband gave me this from Galen Leather. Now it came, I have actually opened it because I couldn't contain myself. I had to open it. So I'm doing a second opening to share with you. So they sent this a cotton pouch with a letter that goes through the story behind Galen Leather, which it's actually quite interesting and a little poignant, I think is the word. Yes. This postcard, which will be going on my little wall of fame. Some tea, some Earl Grey tea, and I have never seen this brand before, so I'm looking forward to trying that. Some Turkish coffee. So I have never tried that before, so that will be new to me as well. And this a scented refreshing towel. So I love the packaging on that. That's so beautiful. So all these beautiful little treats and gifts before you even open up the main event. Yes, so anyway, I love that pouch. That will come in handy. And this was a suggestion on my birthday list, but at our house, our birthday lists are only suggestions. You never are disappointed if you don't get what's on your birthday suggestion list. But I was really hoping for this. And hooray! So this is the 10 fountain pen zipped holder in brown leather, because I have started to have a number of fountain pens now since I purchased my first one 3 years ago. I actually purchased it on a bit of a whim in London. I was visiting Choosing Keeping, which is a beautiful store, and the lady there, when I asked for a recommendation on a beginner fountain pen, suggested the Kaweco Sport, and I went with that, and I have never looked back. So I have quite a collection now of Kaweco fountain pens and a variety of finishes and nib sizes. And I've just been keeping them in this tin, and they rattle around a bit, which is probably not ideal for them. So I'm saying there at the left is my iridescent pearl from the latest Kaweco collection, my frosted coconut, which was the first one that I purchased in London, the clear demonstrator, the next one is something papaya, I can't remember, and then just a red. And then my other fountain pens that I have been enjoying are these Twisbies. So I have a couple of 580s, and I've got the iris there as well. But I do like demonstrator fountain pens. I like seeing the ink inside it, and I particularly enjoy shimmer inks, and they're quite handy for that because you can you need to really shake them before you use them to disperse the shimmer in the ink, and so you can see how effectively you have done that before you start writing. And so everything fits very nicely. I'm pleased to report the zip closes very smoothly. It's a beautiful robust zip. The leathers are lovely to touch. It's very smooth and has the logo branding on the back, and yeah, it's very, very nice. I feel very, very lucky to have that. So finally we're up to my memory journaling for the week. So here I'm using some of the wrapping paper from my parcel from Beck, and I'm also using some of the envelope that from the birthday card that my husband gave me. So it had gilt edges. It was very fancy, so I had to obviously reuse that in my journal page. And then of course I had to put in something from the packaging from Galen Leather, as well as these beautiful cockatiels from Beck. Now the other gift I got that I was very lucky was which is my other hobby, was I got a new driver to play golf with, because I actually broke my other one. Yes, apparently I can hit so hard and fast that I dented the face of my driver, and it was concave on one side. So I have been using a borrowed driver for quite a while, and finally I got a new one for my birthday, so that was very, very exciting for me. So I'm looking forward to playing with it. I've had a bit of a practice with it, and it's very nice. And here I'm using some stickers and that handmade label that was in Serviana's birthday package to me, to put those bits and pieces in as well. And yeah, so I don't know if the sticker from my driver really fits in here, but it's sort of, similar sort of colours and gold and that kind of thing. And yeah, I was very, very excited. When you have a hobby, it's nice to have good tools, nice tools, if your hobby requires tools. And like us who enjoy journaling and letter writing, etc., we appreciate what pens we enjoy writing with, or what inks, or what ink colors, and they bring an extra special touch to when you're making these things. And for me, playing golf, it's another hobby where good tools are very important as well. So yeah, very thrilled with my new kit for my two different hobbies. Anyway, thank you for sharing my little birthday week spread, and yeah, let me know what you thought, and yeah, I look forward to talking to you next week. Until then, have a wonderful week, look after yourselves, and I'll see you next time. Bye.